What's your name?
Ayalo Haile,
And from which country you belong?
Ethiopia.
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 Ethiopia in Africa.
Ethiopia, East Africa.
Okay. So when the kidney failure was diagnosed, what was the level?
0.9.
6.9.
Yeah.
And what is the level now?
Now 5.7.
And how many days this level?
Almost 25 days.
Within
around.
25 days, you have your creatinine level decreased from
Increased.
6.9 to 5.8. That's a
Yeah.
very beautiful thing. That means your kidney has been improved by 10%. Okay. Now, your BP is quite high. It's very important for you to understand why this happened. Okay. So as I can see in your history, the blood pressure level was quite high before coming to here. Now it's normal, but before it was like 160 by 110. And when the blood pressure increases, it causes impact in the kidney. When the blood enters into the kidney with a high pressure, it causes impact. Like a river which is flowing on a regular day, it doesn't harm the banks. But when the floods come in the river, what happens? There is erosion of the banks. There is destruction at the banks also. So what happened inside the body, when the blood pressure increases, the blood enters into the kidney with force, right? And when it enters with the force, what happens? It collides with the sides of the vessels and it harms the banks, borders of the vessel. And as the structure become damaged, it become hard. As it become hard, the size of the kidney shrinks. That's why kidney has been shrink by 30%. Both kidney are shrink by 30%. The normal size of a kidney is 10 centimeter and your size is 6.9 centimeter. That means around 30% there is a shrinkage. Okay. Now, if we want to control the level of creatinine in your body, we have to control the blood pressure. If the blood pressure remains normal, there will be no further impact to the kidney. And when there is no further impact to the creatinine level will remain decrease in a lower form. Okay. Now there is one more problem in your body and that is diabetes. You are on insulin. You are taking 20 units of insulin daily basis. So you have to take care of your diabetes also. You have to keep your sugar level around 180 or below. Either it's fasting, PP or random. It should be below the level of 180. So at home, you have to take care of two things. First is blood pressure. Second is sugar. Two things in check. What will happen? There will be no further damage to the kidney. Got my point? Third thing is very important and that is the level of bicarbonates. Because your level is reached up to 6. At this level, what happens? There is a condition which is known as metabolic acidosis. It starts happening. And for that purpose, you have to take sodium bicarbonate on regular basis. If we keep three things in check, there will be no further damage to the kidney. Okay. So, are you happy with the treatment?
Yeah, very happy.
Very happy?
Yeah.
And what kind of treatment you have taken earlier?
4 months medicine.
4 months of medicine you have taken?
Yeah. And galbasment and blood pressure medicines.
Okay.
Only. No results before.
No results?
Yeah.
So, doctor told you have to go for dialysis or transplant, something like that?
Yeah. Doctor decides dialysis.
Okay.
Dialysis and transplant.
Transplant.
Yeah.
And where it was, advised, in India or in Ethiopia?
My one friend advised go to India.
Okay.
Just
in Ethiopia, it was, advised to go for dialysis or transplant. Then one of your friend advised you to come here.
India?
Yes.
Before one friend is coming India, almost herbal medicines.
Okay. Okay. So that person, that friend has advised you.
Yeah, advice for me.
Okay. Now you are happy with the treatment.
Yes, now very happy.
Now you can advise other kidney failure patient to do something.
Yeah. This medicine all very nice. Good treatments. Good advice.
So we have seen the level of creatinine can be brought down with a time span of 15 to 20 days. It's very simple. What we have done in the patient, that we have increased the kidney function, and the kidney function can be easily increased because kidney has special power to increase its function. Now let me give you an example. Suppose in a person, one kidney got damaged because of infection or stone. So we have to remove one kidney. Even after having a single kidney, the level of creatinine and urea doesn't increase. Now the question arises why? This happens because kidney has the ability to increase its functions. We have to use this ability of kidney to increase its function in each and every kidney failure patient so that the level of the creatinine urea can be easily reduced. And we have done the same thing with you. We have increased the kidney functions. As the kidney function increases, the level you have seen is already down. Now for lifetime you have to take care of BP and sugar so that no further damage to the kidney happens.